I recently took a vote on your favorite summer pattern cake, and this flamingo design won by a landslide, so I thought I'd show you how to make it. First, I'm going to start by piping the head, neck, and outlining the body with tip number 4. To build the head, just squeeze the bag firmly and let the buttercream build up a bit, and then continue to pipe the rest. Try to evenly space out the flamingos over the entire surface of the cake to create a repeating pattern. Next, I used tip 2 to pipe long, thin lines. On a side note, I later found out that real flamingos have their legs bent backwards, not forwards, so make sure you bend them the right way when you make your cake. Using tip 1 or 2, start to fill in the body with a series of wavy strokes that slightly overlap. This creates the look of layered feathers, which I absolutely love. It also adds great texture to the cake and dimension to the body. Let's fill in some of this empty space here on top by piping the bottom half of another flamingo. Now using tip 1, pipe on a black beak for each bird. Let's add a little head peeping in from the side here too. Alright, now onto the tropical palms. Using tip number 4, pipe a slightly curved line of buttercream and extend short curved petals along both sides. Give each line some space and vary the angle in which they fall so that it creates a movement in the leaf. This green gives a nice pop of color to the overall cake and breaks up the flamingos nicely. Just a few more to go. Lastly, let's fill in some of this empty space with clusters of abstract lines. Keep them short and change up the way they're grouped so that each cluster looks a little unique. I love how the black contrasts with the other colors, yet still ties in with the design because it matches the color of the beaks. There you go, a cute and easy tropical flamingo cake.